Hello, and welcome to the Department of Early Care and Learning training video. This video will show you how to complete the updated enrollment roster. This enrollment roster is a required document for tracking free, reduced, and paid meal eligibility in child care centers, Head Start programs, emergency homeless shelter, and outside school hours care centers. Child's eligibility category is based on information provided on the income eligibility sheet. As you can see, I filled out my center name and checked the type of care. For the new fiscal year, beginning each October, the following should be recorded under each column. In column 1, enter the name of each enrolled child, last name, first name. Use the same name for a child on all child care records. If a new child enrolls during the fiscal year, add the child's name to the roster. In column 2, enter the age of the child. In column 3, enter an X if the child is receiving Title 20 funds. If not, leave it blank. In column 4, enter the date the child enrolled in the center or the first date the child attends the center in the current fiscal year. In column 5, if a child leaves the center in this fiscal year, enter the child's last date of attendance here. In column 6, enter Y for yes or N for no if the IES income eligibility statement form is on file and current. In column 7, indicate the effective date used to determine the duration of the IES form. For example, the date the parent or guardian signed the IES form or the date the institution's official signed the form. Please ensure this effective date listed on the roster is the same date listed in the management plan. In column 8, enter the child's eligibility based on the income eligibility statement, the approved, free, and reduced and paid application by placing an X under the column of their eligibility category. And lastly, in column 9, use the monthly attendance record or sign in and out sheets to reconcile attendance to participants listed on the roster. Children must be in attendance for at least 1 day and present for a meal in the claim month in order to be included in free, reduced, and paid numbers. If a child was not present for the entire claim month or did not receive 1 meal under CACFP, enter an X for the appropriate participant. If a child was not present for the entire month, that child should not be included in the free, reduced, and paid totals. In this case, change the FRP to NP, not present. Also, if their exit date is prior to the current claim month, then change their FRP to W, withdrew. If you use this Excel version and update the cells, the workbook will automatically total the FRP totals. Please note that at-risk only participants should not be listed on the roster and should not be included in the free, reduced, and paid totals. Another good thing about this form is that it can alphabetize participants' names, which is a best practice.
See here, you add all your participants' names as they are enrolled, and then as a best practice, we alphabetize the names. So you can go here as you add your names, click on this arrow, pick sort by A to Z, and as you can see, it automatically puts the names in alphabetical order for you.
This concludes the tutorial. Have a great day.